We have another video being...
To becoming the architect of India's destiny. The farmers of India are stepping into a new era, powered by renewed strength, dignity and confidence. Across the country, from seed to soil, from fields to marketplace, farmers' empowerment is taking a new shape. Inspired by the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is relentlessly working to build a holistic, future-ready agricultural ecosystem, where every farmer is not just a food producer, but a true nation builder in New India.
बीते 11 वर्षों में भारत का कृषि निर्यात करीब 2 गुना हो गया। अनाज उत्पादन 900 लाख मैट्रिक टन और बढ़ गया। फल और सब्जियों का उत्पादन 640 लाख मैट्रिक टन से ज्यादा बढ़ गया। 25 करोड़ से ज्यादा सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड किसानों को मिले। पीएम फसल बीमा योजना से करीब 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए क्लेम के रूप में किसानों को मिले।
Adding to this growth story, more than 55,000 farmers have been certified for natural farming across India, and more than 70,000 Krishi Sakhis are promoting natural farming practices. Farmers have been empowered through record KCC support worth 16 lakh crore rupees and robust fertilizer subsidies of rupees 14 lakh crore rupees. A major rise in the agriculture budget from 22,000 crores in 2014 to 1.27 lakh crores, an increase of about 500%. Each of these achievements reveal India's resolution to uplift its farmers and turning its vision into reality. Carrying forward this resolution, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has launched 2 historic initiatives, namely the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and the Dalhan Atmanirbharta Mission, aimed at transforming agriculture, thus fulfilling the vision of a self-reliant nation. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi has emerged as a landmark initiative bringing hope, stability and dignity to millions of farming families. Under this scheme, farmers receive 6,000 rupees annually in 3 equal installments, which is transferred directly into their bank accounts. So far, more than 3,91,000 rupees have been transferred to eligible farmers across the country.
ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೈತರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ பிஎம் கிசான் யோஜனை ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ எல்லாருக்கும் ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
பிஎம் கிசான் திட்டம் கொடுத்தது விவசாயிகளுக்கு ரொம்பவும் உதவிகரமா இருக்குது. அந்த உதவிகரமா இருக்கிறது நான் அனுபவபூர்வமா சொல்லும்போது, நான் விதை நெல் வாங்கும் போதும் இல்ல இடுபொருள் வாங்கும் போதும் கரெக்டான நேரத்துக்கு அந்த பிஎம் கிசான் திட்டம் துட்டு கிடைக்குது.
Recently, severe floods devastated Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Uttarakhand. Honorable Prime Minister visited the flood-affected areas and assessed the situation. With the compassionate and decisive leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, this calamity has been handled with courage to mitigate the losses and support the people in these states. For more than 35 lakh farmers in these 4 states, more than 710 crore rupees was transferred at the time of need as the 21st installment of PM Kisan.
जिन्ने भी पैसे मैनू प्रधानमंत्री निधि योजना दे आए ने वो सारे मैं खेतीबाड़ी दे लिए ही वरतों कीते आ.
Today, as the nation moves forward, the Honorable Prime Minister has transferred more than 18,000 crore rupees directly into the bank accounts of above 9 crore farmers as the 21st installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Progressive farmers empowered India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for releasing the 21st installment of Kisan Samman Nidhi. Now, our Honorable Prime Minister will felicitate eminent personalities from the organic farming field. I now request Shri Ketanur V. Palnisamy Avarhal. Thiru Ketanur V. Palnisamy Avarhal is being recognized for his exemplary contribution towards seed enterprise development through training and capacity building. Our Prime Minister is now honoring கேத்தனூர் வி பழனிசாமி அவர்கள். அடுத்ததாக நேச்சுரோபத் திரு சித்தர் அவர்கள். திரு சித்தர் is being felicitated for his advocacy of organic culture through radio and television programs. Naturopath Siddhar is being felicitated for his TV and radio programs. Thiru G. Thangavel avargal. Thiru G. Thangavel avargal is recognized for training youth and young farmers in his own field. Thiru G. Thangavel avargal, he trains young farmers in his own field. Thiru Amiyaraj, Thiru Amiyaraj is recognized for his contribution in banana diseases management. Thiru Mohan avargal, he has been felicitated for his entrepreneurship and agricultural innovation in the domain of organic and natural farming. Thiru Praveen Kumar avargal, Praveen Kumar is felicitated for the developmental contribution of agricultural technology and agri-based innovations. Thiru Linesh avargal, Thiru Linesh is recognized for his contribution on the sustainable rice cultivation. Linesh is recognized for his sustainable rice cultivation. Thank you, sir. It's always nice to hear our Prime Minister quote Tirukkural or the poetries from the Tamil literature. For a change, may I introduce you by referring to a Tirukkural, sir? Surandrum ஏற்பின்னது உலகம் அதனால் உழந்தும் உழவே தலை, which means दुनिया कई तरह की काम करती है, ये सबके कृषि के पीछे है, इसलिए चाहे कितना ही कष्ट हो खेती है सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है, says Thiruvalluvar. We also remember how you once quoted Neerindri Amayadu Ulahu, and to emphasize that Nammalvar, the organic farmer, organic scientist whom we call as Velana Vinyani, he quotes that Nuni Veetukku Nadu Maatukku Adi Kaattukku, to create a sustainable soil, to empower the soil. Sir, we are all now eager to listen to you, sir.